Family mediation specialists versus family law litigators. Which one is better for high-asset divorce cases? Most people get this wrong. They assume that a high-asset divorce automatically requires a courtroom battle. The surprising truth is that mediation can sometimes deliver faster, less costly, and even more satisfactory outcomes than traditional litigation, especially when significant assets are involved. Family law litigators are experts in the courtroom. They represent clients in complex divorce cases involving trusts, real estate portfolios, business valuations, and international assets. For example, if a tech entrepreneur and their spouse are splitting multiple businesses, a litigator ensures your interests are fully protected, drafts intricate settlement agreements, and advocates aggressively in court when disputes arise. Litigation provides a legally binding resolution, but often comes with high costs, lengthy timelines, and emotional stress. Family mediation specialists, on the other hand, focus on negotiation and collaboration. They facilitate discussions, identify mutually acceptable solutions, and help both parties reach a fair settlement without going to court. For high-asset cases, mediators work with financial experts and estate planners to ensure complex asset divisions are handled efficiently. Process is confidential, flexible, and can preserve relationships, which is especially valuable if children or ongoing business partnerships are involved. The key difference is clear: litigators provide legal enforcement and protection, while mediators focus on collaborative resolution. Many high-net-worth divorces benefit from a hybrid approach, starting with mediation to explore options and only resorting to litigation for unresolved issues. Takeaway is simple: choosing the right approach can save millions, reduce emotional strain, and speed up the settlement process. The surprising truth is that mediation is not just for amicable divorces. It can be highly effective even in complex, high-asset disputes when paired with legal guidance. In the end, aligning your choice with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and family dynamics is the smartest strategy for high-asset divorce cases.